permanent marker stains. So ever since Carpet Cleaning Fight Club, we've had lots and lots of comments asking how to get out the permanent marker stains. So I'm gonna show you quickly how to do it. 3 effective ways. We'll see which one works best. All right, here we go. I'm gonna just make some permanent marker stains. I'm a little bit scared because we've had this hunk of carpet sample for a long time. And I'm sort of attached to it. I don't know why I did that so slow. Permanent marker stains are no joke, and when you get one right away on your carpet, you need to work fast, or even on your couch. This is gonna work, like this method will work on both. So you can use isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol. That's your #1 choice. But if you don't have those on hand, again, we're working quickly, you can use hairspray or hand sanitizer because they're both made out of alcohol. We're gonna start with the isopropyl alcohol, just get it onto a cloth, and then we don't want to rub it in, we want to dab it in. Look at that. We want to dab it out, not in. And like, see how I'm going to move my cloth so I'm not transferring the marker back on to the carpet.
I got a little bit nervous because it's not really coming off very easily. I said dab, but quickly realized I need to get some scrubbing power in here. So just keep applying the isopropyl to clean the part of the cloth and keep on scrubbing until it's fully lifted. This took me probably 5 minutes, but you can see it really began to lift and looks absolutely fantastic at the end.
All right, now I just have like a little regular damp cloth, and I'm just gonna wipe up any excess rubbing alcohol. And like, look how much better that is. I feel like you can still see, can you see that? We'll let it dry and see for final. Now we're gonna try hairspray.
Same as the isopropyl alcohol, you're gonna have to use a little bit of elbow grease and really get in there and scrub. Watch this lift right before your eyes.
I'm just gonna go over the this hairspray like worked really, really well, but I'm going to go over where I've sprayed the carpet a lot with the hairspray with some warm water, just because it's making the carpet really crunchy. Okay. Now we're going to use hand sanitizer. Oh, this might be hard to
Squirting the sanitizer was not really working, so I unscrewed the nozzle so I could directly dump the solution right onto the stain. This one definitely required the most scrubbing.
Now I've just switched over to a warm cloth. I'm gonna get as much of the hand sanitizer out of the carpet that I can. And so, like, the rubbing alcohol to me, when it was working, like now that it's dry, it's definitely looks to me like the most lifted, but these are wetter. These ones we've done after, so it's gonna be, they need a little bit more time to dry first before we make a final conclusion. Here's our findings. So the isopropyl / rubbing alcohol worked the best, which I'm not surprised at. It lifted the stain like almost completely. And then we have the hairspray and the hand sanitizer here. So the hairspray worked really, really good, but you can still see a faint bit of the stain. Same goes with the rubbing alcohol. But honestly, when you get a permanent marker stain, you want to deal with it immediately. So my suggestion would be grab the hairspray or hand sanitizer that you have on hand, lift it as best you can, go to the store, get the rubbing alcohol, come back and get the rest of it out. Then you're good. So that concludes our permanent marker workshop, I guess. And the isopropyl rubbing alcohol worked the best, so not a bad idea to have that in your like cleaning caddy for when, like, you know, something scary, a scary stain happens. If you have any other scary stains, you can leave them in the comments for us and we'll test them out for you. Make sure you subscribe.